Hey, hello, welcome guys. So in this video, we are going to learn about list operation, list file operation in a stage activity. So what is list file operation and what it is going to do is that, so here if you will see what we are going to do in this integration is that, so here we have two file over SFTP server, AP invoices interface.csv and the AP invoice lines interface.csv. So first what we have done is that with the help of FTP adapter, we downloaded the two file that the first endpoint is going to download header file, and the second endpoint is going to download the line files from the SFTP server. So now what we want to do is both file we downloaded in OIC virtual directory. So if you will see, we provided the path as temporary directory. That download directory is the temp inv.dir. This is the temporary directory, or we can say the virtual directory of the Oracle integration. So both file that you can see, we provided the file name, this one, and the directory from where we need to download from the SFTP server. So you can see for that AP invoice interface.csv file downloaded into the Oracle integration directory, that is temp inv directory, and the second file if you will see, we downloaded the second file also in the same directory. You can see the temp invoice directory, and the file name is that AP invoice lines interface.csv. So now here till this endpoint, what we have done is that we downloaded these two file from this SFTP directory and downloaded into the Oracle integration directory, which is that AP invoices, this one, that temp inv dir. So now what we need to do is that we need to check how many files are available on that particular directory, that is the Oracle integration directory, not from the SFTP server. So now if you want to list all the file which is available over the integration directory or integration virtual directory, we have a stage activity. So what we are going to do is we are going to add a stage activity. So here we are going to list operation, right? So I will use list stage. And now if you go to the next, here we have different operations. So now we have only to list all the file available on the particular directory. So here we use the list file, and we need to provide the directory from where we want to list all the files. So here we will use, so I have already make a note of the file name. So here you can directory name, sorry, this is the directory. So here I will pass this directory here. Okay, and now we need to provide the file pattern, what kind of file pattern we want to list from this directory. So I want to all the file available over this directory, this Oracle integration virtual directory, need to list. So here I added the star asterisk, and now it's time to go next and done. So what this endpoint will do is that this operation will return back the list of values with all the file available on that particular directory. So now let me save this one and close. So if you will see, let me activate this integration. I am going to make a duplicate of this one, so this tab, so that I don't want to navigate again and again. So submit and submit here. So here we have run the integration and with the instance ID 19. So just click here, and now you can see, so our integration is completed successfully. It will take some time to load all the log messages. So right now you can see we don't have any hyperlink to see the payload and all. So just wait for a while and just you can refresh one or two times. Now if you will see, we have the hyperlink for the each and every endpoint. So here you can see we downloaded that the header file, downloaded the lines file from FTP server, and loaded where you can see this is the directory where we loaded temp inv.dir. And after downloading both file from SFTP server, we have used list stage operation to list the file. So if you will see the payload of this list stage, or you can say response of this list stage, just click here and you can see this is the response. So in this response you can easily identify the file. You can identify the file name AP invoices lines interface.csv, and another one is that AP invoices interface.csv. If you will copy this one and paste this in notepad, here let me convert this to XML, and here you can see list file. This return back the list data, and you can see we have two ICS file, right? You can see two ICS element. The first one is that AP invoices line interface.csv, and another one is that AP invoice interface.csv. So it returns only the file name and the size of the file, nothing else. We don't have file reference and all. You can say this is the file name, this is a directory from where we have downloaded, and this is the file type. and the size of the file, nothing else. We don't have anything expect that details. So list file is going to return you the list of files or list of data files available on a particular directory, that is the Oracle integration virtual directory, and nothing else. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any other question and want to know more about that, you can comment below and you can ask. If you have not subscribed this channel yet, please subscribe this channel. Thank you so much again.